Ignatius University, a gift from Kabale Diocese.
The official inauguration ceremony was presided over by Honorable Tom Butime, the Minister for Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities, representing the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, retired Major General Jessica Lupo. The ceremony began with a mass led by the Right Reverend Bishop Callist Rubaramira, who was also to be installed as the first Chancellor of the university.
IGUKA, forever, the pride of Islam.
During the installation ceremony, Bishop Rubaramira took an oath committing himself to uphold the university's vision, values and objectives. He emphasized his dedication to working tirelessly to achieve the university goals and respect the aspiration of all students, warmly welcoming them to the new institution.
Their diversity is our wealth. I will protect their aspirations that drew our students here and will continue to draw them here, and the future that drew them here.
The establishment of St. Ignatius University as a continuation of a long-standing tradition of service reflecting the diocese's commitment to societal transformation. He expressed deep gratitude to the committees, particularly the 2016 Task Force and the Steering Committee, for their diligent work in securing the provisional license for the university.
I welcome the students as a vital part of the life of the university and the building of our nation.
Today, the university asks you to serve as the first Chancellor to shepherd it, to preserve its traditions, and to guide its aspirations.
I will serve as the first Chancellor of St. Ignatius University Kabale, and I pledge to work towards the realization of her vision, mission, core values and objectives to which it was established, and so help me God.
I accept to serve as the first Vice Chancellor, St. Ignatius University Kabale, and pledge to work towards the realization of her vision, mission, core values and objectives to which it was established, so help me God. IGUKA is specifically established as a hands-on university, fostering an innovative environment essential for positive societal transformation. In Uganda, and particularly Kigezi, we observe a troubling trend. And these trends, I put them as 5. The first one, a decreasing number of employers contrasted with the rising joblessness. Number 2, a shrinking formal sector workforce, a result of insufficient skills relevant for the available jobs. Number 3, the increasing exploitation of unskilled laborers to Europe, to America and Asia, and the population drawing deep into poverty.
I want to appreciate the Bishop and the Administrative Council. They have single-handedly owned the project and the economics that is involved, especially since it has not yet started to generate meaningful revenues. We really can't appreciate you enough, our Lord Bishop and your team.
The University Secretary, Dr. Catherine Promise Pura, announced that St. Ignatius University Kabale officially opened this year and has already enrolled over 100 students. The university initial programs focuses on agriculture, tourism, aligning with the region's unique economic and environmental landscape. St. Ignatius University Kabale plans to expand its academic programs significantly by next year. The new courses and faculties are expected to be introduced, broadening the opportunities for students to engage in diverse fields of study.
I am very hopeful about the future of this university. We only started this year on 8th January 2024. That's when we opened our doors to the first students. And as we speak today, we have already received 175 students. It's an institution that has been set up to ensure that we are having graduates who are morally upright, who are hands-on, who are innovative, and who are serving for the good of humanity. I am very, very hopeful about the future prospects. We have started in a humble way, but we can see that the fruits of greatness have already been planted. We have a few programs running, the initial programs in agriculture, tourism, science lab technology, business, and a host of UBTEB programs. And we have programs that we are working on so that hopefully by beginning of next year, we will have programs like Bachelors of Education and Bachelors of Agriculture.
The student of St. Ignatius University Kabale expressed that they have been deeply inspired by their time at the university, emphasizing that the hands-on skills they have acquired are equipping them to succeed in the real world with practical training in the fields such as agriculture and tourism. They feel prepared to apply their knowledge and make meaningful contributions to their communities and beyond.
The inauguration of this university marks the journey, a beautiful journey to we youth in Uganda and most especially in Kigezi, because it is inspiring us and opening us to transform.
I have experienced a lot of things. The university had motivated me. I can speak when I'm very confident. The university is inspiring us very well. We have the hands-on work. We are ready to go and serve the whole world as we are inspired and transformed by the university. Thank you.
St. Ignatius University Kabale is said to be a beacon of learning and development in Kigezi region, nurturing future leaders and innovators. The university's focus on agriculture, financial literacy, and tourism reflects a deep understanding of the local context and commitment to the region's growth. Nora Osende for UCTV News.
St. Ignatius University, a gift from Kabale Diocese.